The New York Football Giants have been one of the worst football teams in the National Football League for the last decade. And as a Giants fan, that really breaks my heart. So, you know what I said? It's time somebody steps up. It's time somebody steps in and makes a change for the greater good. And you know what I said? Why can't it be me? Yo, what is going on, guys? It's John Makes Moves. Wait, no. Not John Makes Moves. Coach Ja. Yeah. What is going on, guys? It's Coach Ja coming at you live in the flesh in this bitch. And today we're doing Giants franchise rebuild. We will be taking over as head coach, I'm sorry, Daboll, in an attempt to bring the Giants back to their glory days, back to when they was winning Super Bowls. Here's a look at the top prospects for next year's draft. I'm probably aiming to look for a wide receiver to pair next to Malik, but that's going to have to wait. We'll figure that out throughout the season. For now, let's look at the players we have on the team right now. And let me introduce y'all to my offense. We got this demon over here to my left. We call him Leak. Right next to him, we got our running backs. Tyrone Tracy is the starter, but he'll probably split some snaps with a Singletary, and hopefully our rookie Cam can get some snaps as well. And the man under center, his name is Dangerous. Russell Wilson, the starter for now, but we got a nice, decent QB room. We got famous Jameis as the backup, and we got our rookie Jackson Dart, who hopefully he doesn't see the field this year, but we're going to develop him, and hopefully he's the future. And over here, we got more of our receivers, Wandell, Hyatt, Slayton somewhere, but it's a okay wide receiver room. We would like to explore getting a second option to pair next to Leak, but that's going to have to wait. And here's a look at my O-line and tight ends. Obviously, the star player is my left tackle, Andrew Thomas. The rest, it's it's not that good, but we're going to work on that. And I bring you to my defense. Here's a look at that. Obviously, our specialty is getting to the passer, so we should be getting a lot of sacks this year. The star player is Dexter Lawrence, one of the best players in football. We got Burns to complement him, Okereke as a linebacker. We drafted Carter. We got Tibbs. It's a lot of depth. And now it's time for our secondary. We brought in Adebo from New Orleans, Holland from Miami. Tyler Nubin showed some promise last year. It's not the strongest unit you'll see, but like I said, our strength of our defense is our front four, rushing the quarterback and getting sacks. And last but not least, here's our special teams. Gano, James Gillian. I feel like they've been Giants for a long ass time. We got Cam Sketabu. I don't know how you say his name, whatever. But we got him. Hopefully he knows who Calvin Johnson is now.
I got no idea who this is.
There's no way. When were you born?
And without further ado, I say let's get into the game. We will be playing the Commanders to start the season off. So I'll see you at kickoff. Yeah, the fucking first game, week 1. Let's lock the fuck in. Now, one thing I did notice, and Pete, Madden did improve the player introduction, so we'll watch it. Let's see how it. Oh, that was it. Never mind. I take that back. I guess for some teams, or I guess it's just prime time where they have the player introductions improved, but that doesn't matter right now because we have a game to play. We in DC playing the Commanders. I guess Maryland because they play in Landover. Some geography lessons, but kickoff is underway and we are good to fucking go. Damn, you can't see. Damn, it's hella blurry, man. The weather dynamic is crazy. Now, we see Jaden Daniels right here, so we have to contain him because QB scrambling in this game is crazy. Like, even the pocket QBs, they be scrambling too, so we got to put a spy on this nigga. First play, we in the zone. And the first place, interception. What the fuck is you doing, JD? Micah McFadden with the interception. That's how you start the season, though, baby. Looking for Terry McLaurin. All right, now we get to look at this. My offense. Russell Wilson is my starting quarterback. A solid player. First year in New York. Got this play action lined up. I see you, neighbors. I mean, we saw you, but the pass wasn't there. I kind of want to run right here, but on 2nd and 10 it's kind of crazy, but let's run. Let's see. I like how I was lined up. Only 2 yards. That was kind of stupid. Brings up 3rd down. I see you, Wandell. Barely, but I see you. I see you. Puts us at the 1, actually. All right, all right. I see you, neighbors. It's a new era in New York, bro. We tired of taking these fucking L's. Nigga, fuck is they talking about? Hit my star receiver for the touchdown. This is how you start a game off, right? This is how you lock the fuck in. I ain't playing with y'all this year. And by the way, this is on all Madden, so I don't want to hear no, oh, you playing on easy mode or some bullshit. No. We just like that. See a RPO. We on that bitch. We on that bitch. Damn it. I mean, what just happened? I mean, we got to put pressure on this nigga. He has all day to throw back there. God, you can't even see play. You can't even see shit. To be fair, I do have on shades. That wearing glasses in the rain isn't ideal. But hey, seeing or looking cool, which is more important? Exactly. You know that answer. Okay, they basically instantly respond back, but yo, we knew it wasn't gonna be easy. Oh yeah, my boy Cam back there returning kicks. He's fast like that? All right. So you get that block, Ooh, good run. All right. Just keep running the football. I do not mind running the football, especially in the rain, right? Yo. Run, pass, we get it done. So, he's hurt. Oh, damn. It's all good. We got Singletary. I guess how injured is Tracy, bro? Singletary, you bitch. Singletary, that's how niggas get cut, by the way. I just want to know your contract is dangling. Your contract is dangling over a pot of fire right now. It's hot. Damn, I don't want to injure this nigga more. Just Singletary, just lock the fuck in, bro. Commanders got the ball back. Oh, damn. Okay, kind of. Oh, that's just what happens with, like I said, scrambling quarterbacks, mobile QBs. They are very tough to deal with in this game. Nope. I've just been in a zone all game. McLaurin has an X factor? I'm not saying I disagree, but well, I guess he is like that. He's gonna run it. I'm not. All right, they're in scoring position. Next drive, I gotta get out these zones, man. I gotta put some pressure on this guy. There's somebody breaking. Get off a block, somebody, damn it. They got McLaurin in the backfield taking handoffs. I guess because Debo isn't playing. After that good start, it has gone downhill. But we got our head up. We ain't concerned. Just got some space out here. Okay, good punt return, kick return. There's op number one. Singletary, are you proud of yourself right now? Actually, wait. Good deal. Damn. Fucking Bobby Wagner's old ass, man. Fucking retire, bro. Start a family. We got some blocks. Come on. You want to go for it here? I don't. Let's go for it. Fuck, these plays suck. Ooh, Coach John, we got balls here, bro. We ain't no bitch. Is that not pass interference? Shit, man. No, it wasn't. Bro, you just pussy. No, that was a great decision. Get the fuck down, bro. Okereke with the Bobby Okereke with the run stop. Loss of 3. Come on, make a tackle. Go open field tackle. Ooh, put him on his ass too. All right. Go on, man. Make it. Damn it. There's a fly on my fucking screen. Holy crap. It's a big ass fly on my screen. But the more annoying thing is that we're losing. And they're in scoring position. Come on, let's put some pressure on this guy, man. Nope, don't take off. Don't take. No. Yo, Giants defense. If we don't, this is our core right here. This is the strength of our team, our front. We got to put pressure on this guy. Let's come on. Let's keep bringing the pressure. Oh shit, bro! I walked onto the. I meant to stay on Nubin, but then they put me on the safety. Nubin's a safety, but it put me on the other safety. It is not looking good right now. Defense can't get a stop. I don't think they've punted once. Got some space. We got a crease. Bro, is that Andrew Thomas on kickoff returns? What are we doing? Bro, this fly will not leave me alone. It's like, now it's on my wall. There you go, Wandell. All right, we got to stay ahead of the sticks, man. No sacks, no loss of, no negative plays. This fly's annoying me. Hold on. All right, I got it. Frankie Louvu is out. Good. We need injuries. Bro, stay on your feet. Is it because it's raining? Whatever. Get some new cleats. What they can't. Ah, damn. It's their shit. Good catch. There you go, Dio. All right. So far, a good drive, but we need a touchdown to stay with them. Neighbors one-on-one. Come back. Break a tackle. There you go. Like, McLaurin has an X factor, but not Neighbors. All right. Give me that. Catch the ball. Fucking hit his own player. Fucking Singletary got belted in the back with a football. It's there. Good. Bet. Alright, we still in this bitch. We still in this game. Just gotta lock in on defense now, man. Like I said, offense, I got us. Just defense is the question mark, which is why we need our front four to put pressure on the quarterback. Ooh, good tackle. That's a good return too. Yo, he having a spectacular game, bro. He has no incompletions because the one non-completion was an interception. God damn, Sid. He low-key frying my shit. Not low-key. He kind of kicking my ass right now. Read option. Yep. Put him on his ass. Ooh, yeah, that's what I like. That's what I like. Who cares if he slides, bro? Still tackle that nigga. Still put some pressure on him. Bring the heat always. Screen pass. Somebody get over there. Good tackle. Okay. I would like to get the ball back before halftime. So this third down is huge. Somebody get off a block. Get off a fucking block. Good shit, Okereke? Is that Okereke? Nah, that's not Okereke. Good shit. Come on, man. Let's get some points before the half. Come on, use your speed. There you go. We don't got to use our timeouts just yet. This play, though, after this play, definitely. Shit. I low-key panicked right there. Because my first read wasn't open, so I was like, all right, I'm going to just scramble. Clearly a mistake. The 3-and-out is crazy after I just said I wanted the ball back. All right. It's whatever. We get the ball back anyways. That shit almost got. That's. Oh, please, roughing. Let that be roughing. Come on. Dumbass. What an idiot. All right, so we still got a chance. All 3 timeouts too. That first. Come on, Wanda. So at minimum, we should at least get a field goal. But in these weather conditions, even that's not guaranteed. Yo, he caught that. It's not. Come on. Continue the game. They ruled it incompletion. He caught that. Why am I getting only the same fucking 5 plays? Wait, I'm gonna say all that. Yeah. up. I sent them neighbors on the out. And I'm not done. Hold up. Then stem his shit. He's not open. Step it, run. Oh, what a fucking juke. Come on. No. Come on. All right, baby. I called. Did I get my timeout off? The clock's at 0. I don't think I got it off. Yo, I'll call a timeout, bro. Oh, and they have a new halftime show, by the way, so let's watch it. Only EA. The debut of my new halftime show. Like, this should have been in the game, right? They had it in the older football games, too, by the way. They had a halftime show. Let's not. These are our division rivals right here, so fuck both of them. Damn, you got fucking mossed. Oh, the Cowboys beat the Eagles on their home opener. That's tough. Fuck the Eagles. Big D. Let's see what we got. JT. Ooh, spin move is filthy. Ooh. Oh, they being the dog shit out of Miami. Anthony 12 for 14, 138. Damn. You said this is breakout year. Did he say the last week? It's week 1, my brother. Alright, let's skip this now. Can I skip it? I cannot skip it. Ooh, that juke move was so filthy. It was just... If I just had 2 seconds left. Neighbors. I gotta get Neighbors the ball more. Only 2 receptions is crazy. And you know what's crazy? There'd be niggas now that'd be like, oh, you gotta cancel the game because it's raining too hard. Like, what? Shut up. Like, I'm being so dead as people think this way now. Like, when it was snowing in Buffalo that one time, they was like, oh, just cancel the game. Bro, it's football. It's football weather. All right, we got Tracy back. That's good. We got to monitor his foot, though. So we can't just feed him, like, consistently. So we might sub him in Singletary, like, just back and forth. But I need you now. Because I need points. This is too much Wando for me. I gotta get... Fuck, man. Neighbors, where you at? There you go. Use your speed, Neighbors. Good shit. Alright. I ran it the last first down. Let's try and get this play action. Good catch, Neighbors. Leak. I called that nigga Nabe. It just say leak. What the fuck? Alright, run it. Ah, damn. They low-key on my ass with this running. I can't run the ball right now. Give me a block. Good shit. Ooh. The jump ball. Oh. All right, we tried it. I saw one-on-one with my star receiver. It's got a lot of space right here. Got to make a man miss, though. About 3rd and 6. All right. If I get no yards here, I just kick the field goal. If I get no yards. If it's like 4th and 3, I'd go for it. This shit Hyatt? Alright, we gonna get you money this year. You wasn't doing shit last year, but we got you this year. Should I run it? I'm gonna run it here. I'm gonna run it. Oh, what a... He slipped. The slipping actually got him spaced, but it threw me off low key. 3rd and... I hope that shit... I hope you gotta cut off your leg, bro. I hope it's very, very serious. In the game, obviously. Not in real life. I hope you're severely... Bro, Singletary, bro. Get some new cleats, bro. Stop slipping. I can't run the ball worth shit, man. Neighbors, I see. Let's pretend that didn't happen. Because it didn't. He dropped it. So I don't gotta pretend. What the I was trying to hit the check down. Very fortunate right there. All right, for field goals, I gotta take off my glasses. Yeah, I'm gonna use my glasses as an excuse for why I missed. I'll put them back on for that though. Look at that! Ooh. Kerrigan kind of having a good game, in my opinion. Hit. The slipping animation is kind of OD because you can't do anything while they're in it. Like, that should have been a tackle. Make him, put him on his ass, man. Good tackle. Is that okay again? Yo, what shit. That was huge. It sets up the punt. All right, man. Damn. Over. I was throwing to the neighbors right there. That pass was intended for Malik Neighbors. But hey, as long as a giant caught it, right? Damn, I don't like any of these plays. Let's try this drag. Oh, Neighbors was... I didn't have time. Can't do nothing about that unless I scrambled, but somebody was open. Did he hit the... Wait, did he hit the punter again? Say you did it. You idiot. Oh. Oh, you're fried. Come on, we got to take advantage. Damn, fucking center. You just, John Michael Smith. Throw a block or a better block. Come on, man. Fourth quarter is where we got to be great. Shit, man. Let's get this comeback going. If the linebacker doesn't help over, I'm doing this to neighbors. Yep. Catch that. There you go. Good shit, good shit, good shit. Damn, 35 attempts? Damn, yo. Your arm finna need some icy hot after this game. But we can't run the football, so we kind of have no choice, my brother. He really isn't. Just no holds ever. Come on, bro. Don't get sacked. Don't get sacked. All right, let me take my glasses off. I gotta see this kick. There you go. That should be. There you go. Going for it there would be dumb as hell. You're bugging. Yo, just shut up and commentate the game. Don't give your opinions. You don't care what you got to say. You ain't the fucking coach. Let's put some pressure on him. It's first down. Oh, okay. The play action did get me. All right. Big third down here. Get off the field. Oh, yeah. QB sneak. Okay, that's a smart play. Good tackle. Good tackle. I think now it's smart to sit in this zone. Come on, somebody get... Oh, we gotta put pressure on him. Come on, Dex, Carter, Tibbs, somebody. Is Tibbs in the game? He's gonna run. He's gonna. Oh, he fumbled. Oh, that was our chance, man. I love how they recovered the fumble just instantly. But when it's me, my guys, they just fucking stand there, dickhead. Oh, again, just injure him. Just take him out the game. If we can't win this game, then we leave him with something. Fuck, man. Should I call timeout here? Yeah. All right. Ooh, what a... There you go, Dex. Finally, man. Is that his first tackle of the game? Yo, what? That broken tackle just fried me. Now Burns is hurt. But we don't have to use our timeout then if he's hurt, right? Good shit. Way to get hurt, Burns. Good shit. Come on, we got a field goal right here, please. There you go. Good. We got a chance. That's all I needed. All I needed was one chance. So we get the ball back, most likely down a touchdown, a bruised knee. Okay. You'll be all right. Please do not run into the kicker. No dumb shit. No roughing the kicker. All right. This is how greatness gets made. No timeouts. 2 minutes left. Come on. All right. Good catch. There you go. Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to choose a play. I know I got a quick dub. Do I like neighbors here on this? Do I take a shot with him? Nah. Circle. What was? Oh. I thought I could throw it over the... That's not where I wanted him to put the football. I was trying to lob it. Yeah, that's... Hey man, this is a playoff team, so put up a fight. And we lost our running back, so we came so... Why is Jaden Daniels coming off the sideline when he was just on the field? I don't know. Hey man, like I said, this is a good Commanders team, and we almost won. We should have won. You don't gotta show my interception. Like, come on. So takeaways, we gotta get pressure on the quarterback better. Dex, Carter, Burns, Tibbs, we gotta pressure the quarterback. And I gotta get neighbors more involved. And I gotta run the football better too, but hey man. Anything else? Or do I just advance to the next week? That was a good game. We play the Cowboys next? All right. Shit. Sideline, ground, guardian, always. Okay. But yo, that's gonna do it. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.